Sapporo, Hokkaido's capital, is Japan's fifth largest city and is considered a worthwhile destination in any season. Visiting Japan will never be complete without experiencing Sapporo's ramen, beer, fresh seafood, and its annual snow festival held in February. Are you ready? So are we. Here are the top places to visit in Sapporo, Hokkaido from our least to top favorites. Let's start with something mouth-watering. Curb Market is one of Sapporo's largest public markets and specializes in Hokkaido seafood like crab, sea urchin, scallops, and much more. Seafood donburi is a must-try. Are you a beer lover? Then you'll definitely love Sapporo Beer Garden. Aside from learning about Sapporo beer's long history, you can dine in and enjoy freshly brewed beer and savor a variety of all-you-can-eat dishes. Our next destination is found in the center of Sapporo, Odori Park. Serving as the main site of the Sapporo Snow Festival, this park showcases different delicacies and activities during the week-long celebration. Also, head over the top of Sapporo TV Tower to get a nicer view of the entire park. Time to visit the Morinuma Park. Designed by Japanese-American sculptor Isamu Noguchi, the park boasts impressive architecture and designs, including one of our favorites, Hidamari, the glass pyramid structure. Up next is Mount Moiwa, one of the popular sightseeing spots in Sapporo, sporting a breathtaking view of the city. You can either hike or ride a mini cable car to reach the summit. For those kids or kids at heart, you'll definitely enjoy Shiroi Koibiro Park. Take time to go around and enjoy the cafe, restaurants, and souvenir shops. Don't forget to bring home that tasty cookies. Let's have a side trip to Otaru and visit the famous Music Box Museum. Collectors and enthusiasts alike will surely enjoy the magical atmosphere the museum brings. Last on our list is a must-try culture immersion experience at the historic village of Hokkaido. This open-air museum houses 60 different buildings all over Hokkaido. You can either join the tour or just walk around and enjoy the view. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel for more of our travel getaways.